We're in Dallas. Long story short. It happens. Does she see me? Maybe. Sam, where are we?
Buc-ee's!
Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's, yeah. We're here at Pussy's.
Hey yo, what the?
Find the Justin in the Buc-ee's. Where do you think he is? I'll put this on time lapse. Oh.
I'm in Buc-ee's.
How do you feel right now that you're in Buc-ee's?
I feel
right
like
now? Let the world know, Justin.
Ah!
I love it here. So we're here with Justin. He's got a shopping cart in Buc-ee's.
I need to shop.
We'll find out.
I think you should get a medium.
So I have to.
You just had it. How'd you shoot all over there?
Look at him. Look at him.
A lot just happened in 5 minutes. I don't know.
Are you ready now, Justin?
Yeah!
Bathroom tour. So many urinals. Is that all? Nope. There's at least 10. In and out. We found two guys right here. What's your name?
Uh-oh.
Alright, he's choking. Alex, what's your name? Bend over, nice to meet you. I have a friend named Hugh Rector. So we just found these guys. They came, sat at our table. We're feeding them now. Feed the homeless, you know. This is the new area. I think that's this laser tag right there. It kind of looks like paintball. They got a bunch of drunk old guys playing pool. They got a little arcade area. Samantha's very impressed with this whole thing. They have this. They got a drop tower over there. And they got the coaster. Me and Justin knew there was going to be a coaster here, but it's this one.
It's the good one.
It's like the good SBF.
It's
we don't
only.
know, we don't know what's going on anymore. Wait, we're going to get it in the back. Let's wait and watch intently.
Oh, here it comes. Oh, shit. Here we go, man. Everybody watch. Shit.
Okay, so that's why we're excited today. Justin, are you ready? Alright, so this is our
How's
ride.
it going, gamers?
Oh no, oh no.
Oh, God.
Justin. Oh, Justin.
Adam, wait, look.
What's my life, huh?
Hey,
Turn the camera,
no,
bro.
no. Alright, as you can see, this one's pretty damn scary.
One more time!
It's like a kiddie coaster, but it terrifies us.
I have bruises.
So, overall review, we almost fell out. Justin here got one click because no one checked his restraint. So that's awesome. It's still as good as the one at IAPA was.
Wait,
Justin, did you like it?
I loved it. Kenzie, say hi to the vlog.
Hello, say hi to Justin's girlfriend. There's a black screen. Justin doesn't have a girlfriend.
No,
It's
my
mine.
girlfriend doesn't exist.
Alright, so Justin right here got into this bet with this kid that Justin can't punch it. What do you say? Uh-oh, he just did it.
What?
Wee! Wait, this kid wants to beat Justice with a score of 536. I wonder if he's in a game. Bro. 732, Justin. Justin, is it you? Or how old are you?
Mom, I'm a pussy.
Sock this shit. Dude, the fucking 14-year-old beat you.
I don't care. I beat you. That's all he was aiming for.
Hey vlog, Justin here. So Adam got to try to punch something, but he's all skin and bones. So it's gonna be a good time. We'll find out what happens.
Sup?
All right, so that's gonna be all from Austin's Park. Overall, it was a lot better than the last time we came. Visa was very, very good. The outdoor rides were closed. We wanted to do a slick track, but it wasn't open, so we'll be coming back to that. Because yes, all hail the slick track. Justin, you know where you belong. What's going on in there? Good morning, guys. Justin, where are we?
So, we're here at Six Flags Fiesta Texas.
What is the one ride we came to ride?
Dr. Diabolic's Cliffhanger.
No, that's the next one. Come on, Justin. The one we need to ride.
Poltergeist.
Poltergeist, that's right, folks. We came all the way to Texas just to ride Poltergeist.
We've never ridden it. We've been here like 10 times in a year.
We've been spited out about 10 times by this coaster.
And that's not good.
No. It's a little windy here. Not like that bad, but we're a little bit scared. So, let's see how this one goes. Uh-oh. At least we get to ride Iron Rattler. So, oh no. Oh no. Oh no, Justin. Oh, that's not a good sign.
What if we ride Poltergeist and it settles? Like it gets stuck on the ride.
Honestly, I was hoping that would
We still
happen.
get the credit.
Maybe. I'd count it.
Iron Rattler.
Oh, it's open. All right, Justin. We're almost there. Justin, this is the furthest we've gotten. We're going in the line for Poltergeist. It's officially the furthest we've gotten.
So this is us. We're back there one last time.
And we met Jacob.
What the fuck? Yo!
This is very impressive, honestly.
Yo! We're going with the front.
All right, this is the furthest we've gotten. We're on the train, in the front row.
The train.
Is it gonna happen?
I don't know.
Find out. All right, so we did it.
Bootleg uni. Yeah, we did it.
Yeah.
It was Jose.
Yeah.
Jose's right.
Jose loved it.
Jose and Melissa loved it.
Anyways, we got the credit, so now we're leaving since we officially have all the.
We're going to
party
SeaWorld
credits.
San Antonio all day.
Yep. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for tuning into the vlog. Bye.